Hey guys, welcome back to Isabel's Moments. And today we're gonna do an unboxing. Yeah, I know. I said I wasn't gonna order anymore, but I ordered some more. Because I've been finishing them, so I deserve a reward, right? Right? So I don't think okay, let's just get into it. I'm just writing down when it was delivered. So, I don't even have scissors. I thought I had scissors. I have my X-Acto knife, so we're good. Okay, so this one, okay. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but it is, focus. Not focusing. There you go. It's a sea witch. So, this is a 30 by 40 and it has 35 colors. Where did I get it, you ask? I got it off of AliExpress from HUACAN. It should be a full square. I ordered it on October 9th and October 19th, and I received it on November 8th, I believe. Yes. So, let's get into this. And I'm kind of nervous because I've heard a lot of not so great things about the drills because they're so popular. But I mean, outside of the one, I've never really had an issue with them, so I guess we'll see. We'll see. And I'm making a bunch of noise. Look at this. It's so staticky. Sorry, I'm tired. The toolkit comes with a funnel with a big plate of wax, a 1-placer, a 3-placer, a 9-placer, a squishy thing, grip, and some tweezers. Anyway, let's get into this. And they usually always have tape. Always. Easy fix. Easy fix. Put the knife away so I don't actually cut myself, because knowing my luck, that would happen. Wrapped around a foam core. Alright, now that way that is resting for a sec. Let's take a look at these drills. Now, if I can get into them is another story. this is black, but do I have any black? There's no black. There's no black in this painting. I'm so happy. There's 939. That's the closest thing to black. And you have like 823, so you have some like darker colors. I'm loving that this painting doesn't have any black in it. But there's some darker colors, some darker blues, another dark color. You got some pinks, some purples, some tan colors, pinks. Ooh, that's another 155, really pretty purple. 336. So we have a lot of dark colors that make up for the dark picture. But yeah, those are all the colors. So it'll be a very, I mean, be a dark picture, but you have some bright colors, so I think it'll be fun. Because I have a lot of aerial pictures, and if I do like a wall of Ariel and then stick Ursula in the middle, that probably won't happen, but you know, the thought's there, right? Right? And usually they're always here, but I will do an inventory. If there's any missing, I will let you guys know, either in the comments or the description. Maybe both. Shake. I'm gonna fold that back up. So what, it took, my math today is not working. It took about 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks to get here. Not bad, right? And HUACAN does cut it in separate pieces. I'm going to do this like this for you guys. Ooh, that is confetti heaven. What did I do to myself? That is so confetti. Well, hopefully she looks awesome. I can see her, but I can also see a lot of confetti. Can you guys see that? I don't have it. I have a different way. Oh, and it's blurry. Awesome. There we go. You see all this confetti that I'm seeing? Yeah, that's confetti. But you also can see her, which is awesome. Be nice, because I don't have any villain type things. So Ursula, or this one's called Sea Witch. I don't think they can call her Ursula. There's only a lot of confetti in here. A lot of confetti. But hopefully it'll be worth it. Right? That's lost. Get you up close. So my phone is being glary today. The symbols are clear. They are. They're clear. They're happy. I guess it would be better. Here's the symbol key. And then here are the... And then my camera decides not to focus. It's wonderful. Those are the symbol key. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what came with it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. We did hit 500. Like, what? We hit 500. We did. Because I would not be here without you guys. So I do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy crafting and be happy. Bye!